Hi everyone, Urmila here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy eggplant sambal. Sambal is basically a Malay word for a hot, spicy dish or curry. Not really a curry, but a spicy dish. And usually you could make it with tofu or anchovies or anything like that. But today we're going to use eggplant instead. Eggplant's such a nice vegetable. It has a lot of body and it takes on a lot of flavor. So it's one of my favorite vegetables actually. Hope you find this video useful. Let me show you what you're gonna do. Let me show you what you're gonna need next. So for this recipe, you're going to need about half a cup of oil, 8 cloves of garlic that has been cut into thin strips, about 1 inch thickness of ginger, fresh ginger, which comes to about a tablespoon of ginger, also cut into thin long strips, 2 medium onions that have been just sliced thinly, about 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder. You can reduce the amount of chili powder, but I like it spicy, as you know. I've got 500 grams of eggplant. Today I'm using the long eggplant or brinjal. This is what I was taught how to. This was the particular eggplant that I was taught to use for this dish. But if you don't have this, you can use a different type of eggplant as well. So I've just cut them into longish strips as well. Not too thin, because then it will totally disintegrate. But this has to be now deep fried and set aside, and then we can continue to make the curry. So I'll deep fry that and then I will show you how to do the rest of the dish. I've got 1 lime size bowl of tamarind. This one has seeds in it. If you're going to use the one without seeds, probably about 2 tablespoons of the tamarind paste in some water. I'm going to pour about 1 cup of water on this and let it just soften, and then we'll remove the seeds and add it to the dish later, and salt to taste. So let me show you what you're going to do next. So first we start by heating the oil in the pot, and then once it's nice and hot, you can add in your sliced ginger and garlic, and just let that cook until it's a nice golden brown. Then we can add in the onions next. Now, as you can see, the garlic and ginger are nice and golden, so we can add in the sliced onions, and just stir that through until it's a nice golden brown as well. So when your onions reach a nice golden brown like this, then we can add in the tamarind water. We don't want to take the onions too far because it becomes too sweet then, so just that color is fine. You can use a strainer. I've already removed the seeds from the tamarind juice, so just pour the tamarind water in, and make sure that none of the seeds go in. And then add the chili powder, salt, and we need to add a little bit of sugar as well. So I've got about 1.5 teaspoons of sugar here. I forgot to mention that earlier, so please add that to your recipe if you've written it down. Then just stir this through and let it cook until the oil separates from the liquid. You will see that it'll look different later when the chili has cooked a bit more. So we're just going to let it boil a little bit so that the raw taste of the chili powder goes away. Then we can add in the eggplant. So just let it boil for a few minutes, because there isn't a lot of liquid, so it won't take very long. So just leave it to boil for maybe 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like after that. Sorry. So it's been about 3 to 4 minutes, and you can see the oil has separated from the paste. So I'm going to add in the eggplant and just stir that through. So with the eggplant, if you have an air fryer, you can use the air fryer, so you don't have to use as much oil. I've just deep fried it in oil and just set it aside, and then I'm just adding it to the dish. So you just have to let that cook, let it boil for a few minutes, and just taste for salt and make sure that it's balanced. And once you've done that, then it's ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed the video. Happy cooking!